Hello everyone. In the Packet Tracer, we usually configure by clicking the device. We configure by clicking the device like this and going to the CLI mode. But in the real scenario, it doesn't work like this. We do the same by connecting the in device by console cable RS232 to the console port of the switch, and this method will be called as the initial configuration of the Cisco switch or Cisco router. And after connecting this device by the console cable, we directly access the switch from PC physically appearing there. Then going to desktop, then click terminal, OK. Then we'll access the CLI mode. Now we type enable, then go to configure terminal, and for SSH connection configuration we will change the host name. Here the switch is the host name. Now we will change it host name. We'll give here network underscore switch. The host name is changed. Now we will write domain name, IP domain name, and we will give the name network.com. After this we will create username, and I'll give the name admin, and privilege full access to the admin 15. Then we'll write secret to encrypt the password. Otherwise you can use password for the plain password that will be saved in the configuration. Now after this we'll create the RSA by doing crypto key, then generate RSA, then enter. We will give the value 912 and press enter. You can use according to your requirement. Now then I will enable IPSH version 2. Here you can see it has already been enabled, but I did doing the IPSSH version 2. Now I will go to the configuration line BTY024, then login local, then write transport input SSH. We configured the SSH connection, configure the SSH. Now we will take another PC, and first we will assign IP 192.168.10.5 and subnet marks as it is. Now I will connect this PC from fast Ethernet 0 to switch to the fast Ethernet 0/1. Now I will change I'll create the VLAN 10, and for that we directly select the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 and change the switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10, and it will create the VLAN directly. Then no shutdown, then exit. Now I will open the interface VLAN 10 and assign the IP address 192.168.10.254 space 255.255.0. Then we'll use no shutdown. Then exit. Then we write IP default gateway 192.168.10.1. Then exit. We will try using the telnet, then give 192.168.10.254, then admin connect. Now we give the password. Now we successfully connect the switch through Ethernet port, and that one is the remote access, and it is the secure connection. So running config, here you can see the configuration, and our password has been encrypted here. Alright everyone, in this video we successfully configured SSH connection on a Cisco switch using Cisco Packet Tracer. We enabled remote access, securely configured the hostname, domain name, local username and password, generated RSA keys and verified the SSH login from a PC. SSH is very important in real world networking because it allows secure remote management of network devices. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Nexvora Tech for more networking and Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial. Feel free to ask your question in the comment and let me what topic you want next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.